Are you tired of spending an hour every morning just to fix your hair? In 2026, the trendiest women are choosing freedom. Short, low maintenance hair is not just a style, it's a lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today we are exploring the best short haircuts that require almost zero styling. These looks are designed to work with your natural texture so you can wash, go and look flawless. Let's reclaim your morning routine. First up is the classic texture pixie. This cut is the ultimate time saver because it's layered. It doesn't need to be perfectly straight. In fact, a little bit of messy texture makes it look even better. For those who want something even easier, the buzz cut. Buzz cut, or the very short crop, is making a huge statement this year. It highlights your facial features and pairs beautifully with bold gold earrings or a statement fur jacket. If you prefer a bit more length, the blunt bob is your best friend. It's a one and done style. Whether your hair is straight or wavy, a well-cut bob. Well-cut bob stays neat all day without the need for constant brushing or heat styling. The secret to keeping these styles low maintenance is a great cut. When the shape is right, the hair falls into place naturally. No round brushes, no complicated sprays, just pure effortless style. Short hair is not just about saving time, it's about confidence. It opens up your face and lets your personality shine through. Plus, your hair stays healthier because you are using less heat. So, are you ready to make the job? Which of these easy styles is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more 2026 beauty and lifestyle tips. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.